Hello GCO family, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we will see how to take participation in ROCO Finance IGO project. First of all, we need to check whether we are on the right page or not by looking at this URL here. Okay, now we need to connect our wallet to this website. By clicking on this connect button over here, we can connect our MetaMask. Perfect. Now our MetaMask is connected. It would be better if we select Avalanche mainnet. By clicking on this, select Avalanche mainnet network. If you guys don't have Avalanche mainnet in your MetaMask, you can add this from here. But I have one alternative. You can go to chainlist.org and connect your wallet. Then search for Avalanche. The Avalanche mainnet will pop up right here. Add this to your MetaMask. Okay, so for participation you will need some ROCO. You can buy some ROCO by clicking on this. Choose any of these two options. I will go with Trader Joe. Click on I understand. Continue. Now connect your wallet. Select MetaMask. Next. Connect. Now your MetaMask is connected. Now you can swap AVAX token to ROCO tokens. If you guys don't have AVAX token, you can buy AVAX from any of these exchanges. Then you can send those AVAX token to your MetaMask address, which you can copy from here. Send those AVAX token to your MetaMask and that will reflect over here. You can swap it to your ROCO tokens, but don't swap all the AVAX tokens because you will need some AVAX to do verification, because for participation you will need some AVAX token. By clicking on this drop down button, select second option. Here it is the profile page. Here you can do your verification. Start verification. Enter your first name, then last name, email address, and start KYC. Now click on I agree and then continue. Now we will be doing identity verification. Select national ID, then India. You can take photo or upload it. I am going to take picture with my laptop. Place your national ID over your camera like this. Then back side of your national ID. Then take picture, capture it. If the picture is good, it will automatically capture it. Otherwise you will have to say yes, continue. Click next. Now it's time for your face verification. You can again select upload your photo or capture it with your camera. I'm going to capture it. Yes, continue. Now our verification has been completed. Wait for a few seconds, then it will automatically take you to the next page. Now our face and identity verification has been completed. Now it is time to verify our wallet. So click on this sign message. It will open your MetaMask. Click sign and then verify your wallet. Confirm. Now transaction has been completed, and as you can see, our account has been verified. Now we can participate in upcoming IGOs. For that, click on this. So here on this page, we will get to see all the live and upcoming IGOs. Right now, Tailcraft IGO is going on. So for participating, unlock your ROCO. Now confirm this transaction. Wait for a moment. Now close this window and stake ROCO. Again, confirm this transaction. Close the window. Now we will have to vote. Again, confirm the transaction. Okay, transaction has been completed. Now there is only one step left, which is join IGO, which we will be able to do once the voting period is over. In this case, it is 22nd of November. After that, we can join the IGO. Did you guys just see how easy it is to participate in any IGO on ROCO Finance? Still, if you have any doubt, you can join our Telegram discussion group where you can ask your queries and we will be there to answer them all. I'll be putting all the social media handle in the description. Please join through that only so that you can join the real one. And make sure to subscribe Get Crypto Updates YouTube channel because we are going to post a lot of informative video about crypto and blockchain technology. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it if you want to spread awareness about crypto. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.